Okay, I'm going to turn the light on. There's the exhaust fan. Really all exhaust for the fan that's inside the back porch. And this is, of course, the back porch of the house. It's a table saw that's wrapped up. As I was doing some wood, I got sawdust. Did some construction here. So there's where it looks like from the outside. Let's go into the back porch and see what is happening. Why is that? There's a little bit of smoke coming out of there. Why is that? Well, there is the Bradley smoker. Look at that. Currently working. I built a hood here to catch the smoke. Of course, it then goes to that bathroom exhaust fan I installed, to the pipe that goes outside. Here's the display. Currently, there we go. Oh, let's take a look at what am I cooking right now. Oh, beef. And there's the smoke coming from those pucks. And there we go. The smoker. Oh, it looks juicy. And there's a temperature probe in there that goes to the transmitter. And then, of course, here's the receiver. It's a handheld unit. Currently, it's set for 160 degrees to go off as an alarm. Right now, the internal temperature of the beef is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've had the alarm for 160, because at 160, then I wrap it and continue on cooking. It's been inside here now for 1 full hour. So it's been cooking for an hour. And yeah, so that's it. I had to build this shelving to, of course, hold it all. Oh, you can see the smoking here. Woo! It is a little smoky. Even with that exhaust fan, it gets a little bit smoky inside here. But that's okay. If I didn't have the exhaust fan, it would be terrible inside here. But this way I can cook ribs or whatever I want in the middle of winter. All I got to do is plug in that baseboard heater to warm it up above freezing, and this cooker will be going. January, I'll be cooking ribs and beef briskets and all that. And there's a variety pack for the various types of wood. Right now, I'm using hickory to experiment with, and we'll see what happens. So that is my smoker.